Behind every Maybach is a world of extraordinary precision. Every curve begins as an idea, then becomes precision engineering. Precision starts with the smallest detail. Then, precision robotics begin joining the structure together. Every dimension is checked before the transformation continues. Then comes the finish that defines its presence. Beneath the luxury, precision engineering brings it all to life. Inside, craftsmanship becomes luxury. Piece by piece, the machine finally comes together. Before it leaves the factory, every system faces one final test. Then, the finished car meets the road.
Behind the wheel, it's engineering. In the rear, it's pure luxury. Luxury doesn't ask for attention. It commands it.
Every line is designed to make presence unmistakable. After countless checks, it is finally ready to leave. This is where the process begins, tending, inside a precision-built automotive production facility. Before forming begins, every sheet must meet exacting standards. Every Maybach begins with carefully selected materials, inspected before production. Here, hundreds of precisely controlled welds turn separate panels into one rigid body structure. Next, a precision primer creates the foundation for the final finish. Before assembly begins, every painted surface is inspected to exacting standards. Now the heart of the Maybach is lowered into place with millimeter-level precision.